be out of the way then.
Hello, this is Working Man Dan with the Homestead Institute. We're here in Washington and have been crabbing the last couple of days. A good friend and family member has shown us how to do this, and we're cleaning the catch for the day. The kids got 5 keepers, and this is one of them, and it's time to get him ready to eat. So this is how you clean a crab. You turn them upside down and you basically pull the shell off of the legs. This is my first time doing this. Just like that. And then you can see right here there's gills. I want to make sure you just peel those gills off, and the chickens here will take care of those. And then you break the crab in half. You can cook them whole that way. I'm a little jumpy, I'm new to this. And he was thinking about grabbing me with his reflexes. And then you just wash them out and boil them up. And you have an awesome dinner. Dungeness crab. Until next time.